cruising the mountain from Mount Baldy probably down to I just passed the CHP, so it's probably gonna go from Mount Baldy to Glendora Mountain Road. All right, just checking stuff out, watching all the landslides and waterfalls. Yeah, boring life, got nothing better to do. All right, what do you want? Huh. All right, up by Mount Baldy. Look at that. That's crazy. Just don't get the full effect on video, but you can hear the boulders moving in the water. Why does it smell like wet dog in here? Huh, mister? Why does it smell like wet dog in here? Are you the reason? Yeah, I think so. That hitting you. Wow, that's just crazy. This is up at Mount Baldy, you know, where everybody goes and plays in the snow. That's it right there. That's the road going up. They won't let me through. I told them I got a 4-wheel drive, I can do it, but yeah, no shit. That's a fast way down the mountain right there. Crazy. This guy's nuts, man. I wouldn't want to do that. Maybe I would. This is a 2-lane road. Those are houses. That's going up to the area where everybody plays up in oh shit, this stuff's getting closer. Up where everybody plays in the snow there. I better get out of here before I get stuck. Well, they've got the road closed off now going up to GMR, so I'm not going to be able to get up that way. Should have gone up there when I had the chance, but now I'm just kind of stuck. So I'm going to have a burger up here at the Mount Baldy Cafe. So that's the road that goes up to GMR, and they blocked it off. When I came up earlier, this road here was open. They let me through, but now it's closed. So they've got an alternate route going around the other way. But I'm gonna have a burger. GMR is closed, so I'm not going to GMR. I guess I'll head home. Kobe's kind of had it.